Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate Kid Space on Oppo Android phone. So maybe you have a non or you are non Oppo user, you can try to activate Kids feature on your Android. So let's start. I made this video especially for Oppo Android phone user. You can access Kid Space by tap on privacy, and here we go. This is the kid space. You can tap it. So in before you enter kid space, you can try to set the duration, allow each time, maybe minimum is 15 minutes, or you can try unrestricted. And allowed apps, you can try to set allowed apps that can access by your kids. And also you can try to turn off mobile network is necessary if necessary. And here we go. Main feature of KidSpace is prevent unwanted charges, prevent gaming and non-gaming apps from incurring SMS charge, restrict mobile data usage to prevent overage charge, prevent system modification, and prevent addiction. This is very important. You can limit available apps and limit screen time. And you can add a toggle for kids space in quick settings. Now you can enter kids space. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.